Hi everyone, this is Teacher Jenna from Basic English Camp, and for today we're going to talk about the alphabets and what are consonants and vowels. Let's start.
Alphabet consists of 26 letters. Please repeat after me. These are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
In alphabet, we also have vowels and consonant. For vowel, this is bowin. A, E, I, O, U. And then consonant, we have shin. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. So we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something. See you next video. Bye-bye.